Echo 5 Foxtrot, this is Hitman 2 Actual. You are approved to engage in 5 mics.
About 4 years ago, we did a video that introduced a lot of people to some great ARs for a good price. Now, obviously, since then, prices have gone way up, but we keep getting questions asked about what are the best entry-level or budget ARs. Welcome to Ghost Tactical. My name is Trey. Today, we're going to give you our top 5 best budget/entry-level ARs in 2023. For this video, all of these rifles can be found for well under $1,000. Coming in at number 5 is a Palmetto State Armory PA-15. The PA-15 comes in many different configurations, length, chambered, and all of that. But today we're going to focus on the 16-inch 5.56. The PA-15 is an M4 barrel profile with a 16-inch barrel. The twist rate is 1 in 7. The overall length is 33 inches with a weight of 6.5 pounds. Now, you guys know that PSA has been making great rifles, and we did not include them in our original list. They have gotten much better in the last few years, and they're quality rifles. So if you're looking for something that you can get for around $550, check out the PSA PA-15. Coming in at number 4 on the list is the Anderson AM15 series. Anderson has been making components and rifles for a long time, and whether you know it or not, you shot or probably own several of their products. The AM15 line comes in different lengths and styles. You've got the Precision series, A4 series, a pistol series. Basically anything that you want, the AM15 is going to provide. For this length, we're going to talk about the standard length 16-inch barrel. It is chambered in 223 5.56. The weight comes in at 8 pounds. The twist rate is 1 in 8. The gas system is a carbine length. The pistol is an A2 grip. It comes with M-lock handguards, a carbine length gas system, and the bolt and barrel are nitride finished. Once again, guys, if you're familiar with firearms at all, you've probably heard of Anderson. If you've never tried shooting any of their stuff, please do yourself a favor and do so. If you're looking for a great rifle that you can get as low as $600, go check out our number 4 on the list, the Anderson AM15 series. Coming in at number 3 on the list is the Ruger AR556. The Ruger AR556 is an M4 style direct impingement modern sporting rifle that offers the rugged reliability that you've come to expect from Ruger. The barrel is 16.1 inches and it's a medium contour cold hammer forged chromoly steel barrel. The overall length is 35.5 inches fully extended. The weight is 6.50 pounds and the twist rate is 1 in 8. So guys, we all know that Ruger is awesome. This AR556 is incredible. I've shot this a lot, and I would say that you have got to go check out this. This is probably the most expensive rifle on the list, coming in just under $1,000, but it's Ruger, and you know what you're going to get. So if you're looking for a Ruger and an AR, go check out our number 3 on the list, the Ruger AR556. Coming in at number 2 on the list is a Sig Sauer M400 Tread. The M400 Tread is an optics-ready aluminum frame rifle that features a 16-inch stainless steel barrel with a free-floating M-lock handguard, a single-stage polished hard-code trigger, and ambidextrous controls, a Magpul SLK 6-position stock, and a mid-length gas system. It is chambered in 5.56 NATO with an overall length of 30.8 inches. The twist rate is 1 in 8 with an overall weight of 7 pounds. Now, we all know that Sig is a great company that's made great firearms, and this one is no different. If you're looking to get into rifle and you didn't think that you could get into a Sig for under $1,000, well, this is the rifle for you. Go check out our number 2 on the list, the Sig Sauer M400 Tread. And coming in at our number 1 choice, the Smith & Wesson M&P 15 Sport. Guys, you know that I have always been a big fan of the Smith & Wesson M&P 15. It might get ragged on by some, but I own a couple of these things and I've never had a problem with them. They are rugged and they can run through anything that you want to put through them. These rifles are the ideal modern sporting rifle. They're built to perform multiple uses under various conditions. They're versatile and they are very, very reliable. Some of the features of this, guys, are a Magpul rear sight, a Ford's integral trigger guard, a Ford assistant dust cover. The barrel is 16 inches long with the overall length at 35 inches fully extended. The weight is almost 6.5 pounds and the barrel twist is 1 in 9. So guys, once again, I own a couple of these. I could not give this a better recommendation. They are, in my opinion, the best entry-level AR-15 that you could possibly get into. So guys, go check out our #1 choice, the Smith & Wesson M&P 15. Are you in the mood for some more awesome 2A content? Then make sure you check out our website, ghosttacticalproductions.com, and check us out on all of our social media platforms. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified about our latest videos. Till next time, Semper Fi.